Have you ever wondered how some people seem to have time for everything? They work, exercise, read books, spend time with family, sleep well, and still reply to messages on time. Meanwhile, you check your phone for a few minutes, and somehow half the day is gone. It may seem like successful people have more time, but they don't. Everyone gets the same 24 hours every day. The real difference is not how much time they have. It's how they use it. The first thing you need to understand is this. Stop saying, "I don't have time." Most of the time, it's not about time. It's about priorities. If someone offered you $1 million to exercise for 20 minutes today, you would probably make time for it. So instead of saying, "I don't have time," ask yourself, is this really not important enough for me right now? Next, pay attention to where your time goes. Many people lose hours every day without noticing. A few minutes on social media turns into 30. One short video becomes 20. You check notifications again and again. These small distractions don't seem like much, but together they waste a lot of time. For one day, write down what you do every 30 minutes. You may be surprised by how much free time you actually have. Another important tip is to stop making huge to-do lists. Instead of writing 20 tasks, choose only 3 important things to finish today. When you focus on a few important tasks, you're much more likely to complete them. Planning your time also helps. Don't just hope you'll exercise or read later. Choose a specific time. For example, exercise at 7 a.m. or read at 9 p.m. When something is on your schedule, you're more likely to do it. Also, don't wait until you feel motivated. Motivation usually comes after you start, not before. If you don't feel like reading, read just 1 page. If you don't feel like exercising, do it for 5 minutes. Protect your time like it's valuable, because it is. Make good habits easy. Keep your book where you can see it. Place your workout clothes beside your bed. Keep your study desk clean. When it's easy to start, you're much more likely to continue. And don't forget about your energy. Good sleep, healthy food, and short breaks help you use your time better. Start using it wisely, because the life you want is built by the choices you make every single day.